New Charlotte Tilbury, Part 1, Pillow Talk, Face and Eyes. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel, I cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion and travel, things that make you feel more fabulous at any age. Well, over the past couple of weeks, I've been buying Charlotte Tilbury like crazy. First, the website had a big sale. Then Sephora had their big sale. So the next two videos are going to be about my new Charlotte Tilbury finds. The good, the maybe not so good, what I'd buy again, and what I probably wouldn't. Today, I'm going to focus primarily on Pillow Talk. This particular palette, the Beautifying Face palette, as well as I'm using a new foundation and some Pillow Talk lips. So let's get started. Well, between sales at Sephora and on the Charlotte Tilbury website, I went a little bit crazy. So today's video, I'm going to focus on the most expensive item I bought. This is the Pillow Talk Beautifying Face palette. It's supposed to be good for the face, the eyes, pretty much everything. But first, I'm going to start off with two other items I bought. The Wonder Glow Primer and the Airbrush Flawless Foundation. I've never tried a Charlotte Tilbury primer before, so when all the sales started happening, I decided just to try this sort of sample size. It's called Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Glow Primer. It has a slight tint to it. Just put a little bit on my finger and on my face. In addition to making your makeup last a little bit longer, this primer is supposed to give you an extra glow as well. So next thing, I've used the Beautiful Skin Foundation before. I decided now to try the Airbrush Flawless. And this, like everything at Sephora, was discounted because of my membership. I just hit the rouge mark, so taking advantage of that. And let's just take a brush, apply this to the skin. Doesn't have any fragrance whatsoever, which is good for foundation. And the shade I bought in this was 5.5 Neutral. Seems to be a pretty good match for me. So far I'm liking this foundation. This is my second day of wearing it. First day it lasted really long. Felt nice and fresh, kept my skin feeling moist all day. So I bought another face item here. This is something I ordered online from the website. This is Magic Away Liquid Concealer. I've never tried a Charlotte Tilbury concealer before. So it comes with this little sponge on the end, and you can turn to pump out the product. Then just sort of dot under the eye. And I'm going to take my blender to sort of blend it in. And just touch up a little bit with the Charlotte Tilbury powder, which I've had for a while. The one thing I didn't buy from Charlotte Tilbury was a brow product. Now, I tested a couple when I was in Sephora. None of them just seemed quite as good as the brow products that I have and love, so I held off from buying any. So I'm going to go off camera and do my brows using Anastasia Brow. Now onto the palette. This was one of the newer items introduced by Charlotte Tilbury this year, part of the Pillow Talk collection. It's supposed to be good for the face and the eyes. Let's see. I'm going to start with this darker pink. It came in two shades, the fair medium and medium dark. I got the fair medium. And I'll start with this and just try it along the cheeks. It's not as heavily pigmented as some of the face palettes that I've used recently, but it is a really pretty soft formula. And this sort of a pink shimmer, let me try a little bit of that as well for a little highlighter. Gives just a nice amount of highlight. And then there's this color too. I'm going to use a little bit of this lighter color and just go right on the top of the cheekbone around here, and a little under the brow bone. Let's try a little of this color and blend it in. Okay, so that's sort of the cheek look for today. It's a little bit subtle, but it does have a nice pink glow. I'm also going to use this palette for my eyeshadow. And I'm going to start with this more subtle pink in this corner and just use that along the base of my eyelids. All right, now I'm going up into the crease with this darker pink shade. And so I'm taking my shimmer brush and I'm using this little pink shimmer. Very soft tones. Not a lot of drama here, but just very soft and pretty. So I'm going to take the Olive brush. I think I'm going to take this lighter shimmer and just blend everything. My eyeshadow look. Another item I tried was this liner duo. This is blue shades, different shade from each end. This is sort of a deeper blue, and this one is more of a brighter blue. So I'm going to take the deep blue and just add a little bit of lining and definition. Okay, just tap it off with a little more of this shimmer. Okay, so that's the eyeshadow and liner look. Next up, mascara. Now this Pillow Talk mascara has long been a favorite. Push-up lashes. Now I do wish this wand was the bristles were a little thicker, but otherwise I love the formula of this mascara. It just really lengthens the lashes. And of course, I have to curl the lashes to really get the maximum effect. There we go, so that's my Pillow Talk eye look. And the final step is the lips. And I got at Sephora this mini Pillow Talk lip cheat and matte revolution. So I'm going to start with the lip cheat, which is the liner, and it's just a nice soft pink like everything in the Pillow Talk collection. Line the lips with this. Next up, the Pillow Talk lipstick. If I can get it out of here. And it's a small size, but I have so many lipsticks, it's sometimes nicer to have the smaller sizes so they don't go bad. And I love the color. It's a really soft, creamy formula, even though it is a matte lipstick. So I love this a lot. And another new lip product. This is something I've never tried before from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Collagen Lip Bath Collagen Enhanced Plumping Lip Gloss. So I'm going to top everything off with this. Okay, so this is today's Pillow Talk look. The main product featuring for the eyes and the cheeks is this Pillow Talk Beautifying Face Palette. This is the first time I've bought this. It's probably one of the most expensive palettes I own. I think retail would be it's like $75. I did get 20% off, but you know, it's a fairly pricey item for only 4 pens, but they are large size and it is good for the cheeks and the eyes. Very pretty colors. Pigment isn't as heavy as on some of the other items, but it does offer just a nice shine, a nice soft touch, a nice glow. So yes, if you really want to feel luxurious, I do recommend this palette. If you want to save money, there are probably a lot of less expensive items from brands like NYX and e.l.f. and ColourPop. But, you know, sometimes you just want to feel a little bit luxurious and indulge in a little pillow talk. Well, that's the video for today. If you liked it, could you please give it a thumbs up? Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.